Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested chance pick a card reading. What is coming next for you, friends? How and what is going to happen next? Many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends, www.magicwednestarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime. It will still resonate and help with your situation. And how are you doing, friends? How are you all doing? I am good, but it's really, really freaking cold here. I have never seen so much cold in my life here at where I live, but I hope you guys are doing safe and enjoying your life. And that's why I'm wearing all these fur and everything because it's really cold. But yes, it's fun. It's fun. And what else? So, astrologically, a few things are happening this week. There is a full moon in Cancer. Yes, Cancer people, it's going to be an amazing, powerful time for everybody. Emotionally high, emotionally charged time for all of us. Our love life is in focus. Mercury is also retrograde. Remember, don't forget that. Uranus will be going direct. That's such a relief. It will bring some weight, away from us. It will bring some fresh energies, lighter energies, and Venus will also be going direct at the end of this week or at the start of the next week. Great energies, friends. Powerful week. And now it's a timeless reading. You can take it anytime, but we are going to see what's going to happen next for you. So let's take a deep breath, relax and choose option number 1, simply love. Option number 2, success and growth. So relax, take a deep breath and choose option number 3, the master. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your options. You can also choose more than one pile or you can watch the entire reading. And don't forget, this is a charms reading, so yay! So let's start with option number 1. So friends, if you chose option number 1, the simply love, number 6, wow, this is a 6 of cups. I feel this is a beautiful card. This is a beautiful week or a time for you where there is love, there is some sort of a breakthrough, some sort of a healing happening for you. I see this as you see the moon behind, so I feel this is going to be an important full moon. Whenever is the next full moon, that will be important to you when you watch this reading. I also feel one is coming on the 17th, so yeah, I think it's on the 18th and 19th, the full moon. So yeah, I also feel this is a time of a lot of healing for you. And these are your oracle and advice. We're going to look at them shortly and then your charms. So let's see what is happening currently. Wow. 5 of Swords. Yes, you're feeling a little fragmented. I feel, friends, you're also feeling a little confused. You're also feeling upset about some past situations currently. I also feel some of you have been heartbroken because somebody left you or somebody was not honest with you, whether it's a coworker, whether it is a lover. You definitely feel like trust issues right now, or you feel the pain of your trust being broken. But I feel you will recover, friends. This is a powerful recovery that's happening because you have been through a powerful wound. I see a wound happening. Wound is there. I see a pain in your life. I see some tension, some conflict in your life. And I feel you are fed up with that. You are like, I'm done with this situation. When is this going to get, healed? When is this going to finish? I think this is the week when things turn, the tables turn, and the situation turns for you. So well done. Congratulations. I also feel, pile number 1, you are a little burdened, as if there are a lot of responsibilities or worries on your head. But I do feel that you are going to recover, because I feel right now you're challenged. There is a lot of like pressure on you. But some of you may be having health issues, like you have certain cold issues, flu, like minor cough and cold. I also feel some of you could be actually having sleepless nights. You don't feel like sleeping, anxiety, stress, kind of a thing. But you're going to recover, because I keep seeing these, and this, the moon energy, it's very powerful. So you're dealing with, you're starting the week with a lot of pressure, but the thing is, do not give up. Do not give up. You have to fight. The more you fight, the better your future is going to be. I do feel this is the week where you fight, you show persistence, and you will be very, very successful. If you were thinking of giving up a situation, especially in your career, I think it is a time to fight back once again and to give it your last best shot, because you are going to be successful. I also feel if you are a student, you are worried about your work and career, you are definitely a little stressed about your education, your exams. Don't worry. You will if you work hard, you will get the right results. Don't worry, don't be too stressed. I also feel this is a time to give your best in your work, career, and life. This is a time to, like charge up. This is a time to like get activated in life. So it's a very, this is a time to don't feel defeated. This week, don't feel defeated. Rather, stay motivated. And also, if you're planning to give up on anything, please do not give up. You're very, very strong. Look at that, the strength, stability. Yes, I think your work and career is also going through some challenges, some worries. But the more you stick and persist, the better your chances of success. Strength, yes, you are going to be extremely successful at your work, at your career. I also feel, friends, you are going to come face to face with your power, that how powerful you guys are. I think some of you are doubting that you are like, why this happened to me? Why this happened? Why so much of challenges? Why so much of responsibilities? You can handle it, friends. You can absolutely handle it. So that's why, and life has made you stronger. So don't worry. And I also feel this is like a man, the merman is catching fishes, lots of fishes. So I feel you are going, the bounty of the universe will be great for you. There is a lot of catch coming for you, there's a lot of success coming for you. I feel like this may be a time of hard work for you, but this will pay off in your future, friends. So please keep working hard. Don't give up. I also see a lot of money or a lot of success in your work coming, like like floodgates have opened, money, success, or opportunities or energy is pouring into your work and career. So well done. And I also feel your body, your body and your mind, work on that. Try to work on your fitness, try to work on mental, like do play some games, mental games, like not like mental games. I mean, like play, keep yourself active, like play something like maybe, brain activity games, that keeps you interested, keeps you active, like maybe playing squash, maybe playing badminton, or just playing some mobile games, like chess or something which is good for your mind. you know get those get those neurons active. Get active. It's going to be very important for you. Your career is very strong, friends. I see Jupiter and Saturn both sitting in your career and giving it a lot of boost, and Mars also asking you to energize, work on your career, work on your ambition, go about it, go for it. So it's a powerful, powerful week for you, friends. Let's see what's happening in love. Oh my god. Look at that, the Ace of Cups. So I do see there is a lot of romance coming for you this week. This is a week of, this is a time of love for you. I do see you are going to discover self love. You are also going to discover some sort of new love. I also feel that some of you are really, you are trying to manifest a new relationship or a reunion with somebody. I do see that yes, love is coming your way. I do see that this is a love that's very magical. This is, if you are already married, your marriage is going to get some love. It is going to get some affection, more harmony is coming. So I also feel for some of you, your love life was affected by work and career, like your worries, work and money worries were affecting your love life. But from now on, you can expect more support in your love life, more free time to enjoy love and affection. So that's a good thing. Oh wow, the moon. Oh my god, this is a very, very emotional week for you, friends. You have to be a little careful. Your emotions will be extremely charged. You may end up doing something that you don't usually do. You may surprise yourself by taking action. Like if you saw your crush, you may just go and propose them. I also feel if you feel like someone may propose you or someone may message you because they are feeling very emotional, it's a very, very charged up time for you. I also feel emotions will become, clarity is coming in your love life. There are certain situations which are not clear for you, whether you should stay, whether you should move on, whether this person will commit, whether they will not commit. So, those situations, those things will be clearing up for you. Clarity, breakthrough is coming. I also feel that, what is true and what is real and what is fake, that will also be revealed. I feel some of you have a tendency to attract a lot of fake situations, fake scenarios, fake situations. But from now on, true people, real people, and good people are coming for you. I also feel if you have been a little confused about your love life, you are going to find the answers. I also feel this is not just about your love life. This is like if you are confused in your career, also, you are going to figure out the answers, the solutions. Look at that, the Knight of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. I also feel that in love life, you should take some slow action, slow decisions, because friends, you're really charged up, your emotions are very high. So it would be nice if you take some slow action and follow your love life at a steady pace. I also feel someone wants to offer you love, someone wants to tell you and share with you how much they love you, how much they miss you. They want a restart or a reunion or a fresh start with you. And I don't know if you will accept this person or not, but I do see there is somebody from the past on your mind, or there is somebody who was not talking to you. That person is thinking about you. But I would suggest you to take it slow this week in love, because emotions are high and you may find it difficult to understand. Like what is happening. Like, sometimes if you are calm, you will see the answers, the solutions. But if you are charged up with emotions, it may be a little difficult for you to see the emotions. The King of Cups, wow, I do see a great offer of love is coming for you. I also feel some of you are definitely manifesting a very strong partnership. You are trying to manifest a new lover, a lover that's committed, that's true, that's beautiful, and that's deep. Soulful connections are coming for you. Loyalty is coming for you. Mature love, beautiful love is coming for you. A soulmate is important for you. I also feel if you are, some of you may connect with this person energetically rather than physically. Like you will connect with this person through your dreams, through your mind, through dreams or through messages, telepathically. So it's a good week for you, friends. I also feel for some of you, you are trying to offer love. I don't know, there is a conflict this week, friends, between love and work. Some of you are like, should we focus on work or should we focus on love? So you have to balance that. And let me just clarify, what is this Ace of Cup about? The Empress, believing in yourself. You are the Empress, you are the Emperor, you are the magician of your life. Have faith, believe in yourself. Justice, yes. I do feel balance is coming in your love life. This balance is long due. Something karmic is being healed. All right, pile one. I do feel some of you are in karmic relationships or karmic friendships. That soul contract is healing and something better is coming for you. Yes, the world. I do see that you deserve the world, friends, and that's exactly what it is going to be for you. So let's see what else. Let's see some other cards for you. Let's take them one by one, okay? Toad? Yeah, leap into the future. Jump with joy, leap into the future. I also feel toads are like they take life, again, they live in ponds, water energy. They are highly adaptable. They can live in water, they can live on land. So, this is a week where you should adapt, try to adapt. Try to adapt with whatever is happening and remember that you are very strong. And ghost, yes, people from the past are on your mind. Situations from the past are on your mind, but I think they are becoming a burden for you rather than help. So try to be adaptable, be flexible. So I know it's a tough situation because Mercury is retrograde. We all want our focusing on the past, but we also need to focus on the future because Uranus is going direct, Venus is going direct. So we need to keep our focus on the future and the present rather than the past. Loyal heart. I do feel there is a loyal heart that's beating for you and you are going to manifest it, friends. I also feel you want to know whether somebody was loyal to you in the past or not, whether this current lover, this person who loves you, are they loyal to you? Someone who put you in third party, are they honest with you? I think you will get the answer whether this person is trustworthy or not. Trust is a big deal for you in this week. And next thing is peace of mind. You want peace at all cost, friends, and it is coming. And I also feel for some of you, if you are married, you could be living away from your husband or wife. There could be some difference of opinion, but I think this full moon or this week is bringing you a lot of love and peace in your relationships. Seek. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel, I feel this week it would be great if you let go of expectations, friends, because what you don't expect will happen. And be flexible. Try to let go of how you want your life to be or how you want this week to be. Just let go, relax, and let things flow to you because big, amazing things are coming for you. Feeling alone, number 5. Yes, I do feel some of you are feeling lonely. Some of you are manifesting new love. Some of you are also trying to heal a past connection. Some of you are also feeling like you don't have any friends at your work. I think you're going to find a lot of support, friends. A lot of support is coming for you, so please remain positive. Let's see some advice for you, then we are going to see the charms. Clover, release your guilt, number 21. Interesting. Wow. So I do feel first things is first is you're very lucky, friends. Don't doubt your luck. You're lucky and whatever you want will happen for you. Secondly, don't be guilty. If you're keeping yourself important or keeping yourself first this week, excellent. I do see some of your family members will try to put you in guilt like, hey, why don't you give us time? Why are you spending time alone? Why are you making friends? It's all right. It's all right. You can prioritize yourself this week. I also feel some of you may need some short breaks from work and other areas of your life this week. That's also good. I also feel if some of you are actually feeling like whether you are should you actually go for a new relationship or not, are you ready? Yes. Is it guilty? No, you're perfect. Somehow, I don't know what is with the body weight. I don't know. Are you feeling like you have gained some weight because of the world situation? We are all sitting at homes mostly. Are you feeling that like you have gained some weight, etc.? Don't be guilty, friends. Don't be guilty. It's okay. Just take action, like act and build your fitness. That's what I would suggest. So let's see your charms now. number one, what's going to happen for option one? Okay, lots of chance. Let's see. Ooh. Let me just separate the charms so we can focus more on the charms quickly. You know, like one by one we can cover them more quickly. Oops, oops. The plane is hard to catch. So I do feel you may miss a flight or something, or you may get some flights cancelled or delayed, friends. So be careful about that, because I had a real trouble catching that plane. So yes, Knave. Knave could be a name. Van, Vani, Knave, Avi, Anvi, all those can be the name. NAVE are important initials for you. Number 12 is important. Someone born in December could also be important. Apple, take care of your health. Eat right, eat healthy, eat some fresh fruits. Yellow car, stay positive. Don't try to drown in the emotions. Too much emotions, but try to swim. Teacup, yes, friendships are coming. This is a week of socializing, making some friends. Tree of life, try to, focus on the roots of your life. I also feel this is like family is important this week. The twin flame, the winged heart, yes, I do feel a very important, a beautiful connection is coming for you. It could be a twin flame, it could be a soulmate, it could be a soul friendship for you. Or the leaf, let go of worries, friends, let go of worries. Oh, the penny, I do see this is also the wheel of fortune, so luck is coming for you. And this is about also changes coming for you. The fish, skeleton, let go of the past. Also fish is like very emotional week, friends. This is highly emotional time, so sit with your emotions, enjoy them, use them for manifesting. And what is this? Ooh, umbrella. So someone wants to protect you. Someone loves you a lot. The rainbow, yes, after the dark days, light is shining for you. I also feel some of you could be, some of you could actually be from the rainbow tribe, or you could be dealing with a person from the rainbow energy, rainbow person. I'm a stupid baby, so oh my god, someone is actually trying to come back and tell you that they have been stupid and foolish. The aeroplane, so travel is important, flights are important. Someone could be living away from you, a long distance connection is important. And yes, I was expecting this. The look at that, the plate full of skeletons. So this is the past life connection. So I do feel you have to let go of something from the past, some situation, some pain. But remember, butterfly, change is good. You could be in third party situations, but is it the right thing for you? I mean, like, do you deserve that? That's my question to you. I also feel this is also about money. A lot of money is coming for you. Two of your confusion, yes, you are little confused about certain decisions. Seven of fear, yes, people have actually ghosted you, blocked you, and that person, your ex, is thinking about you. Oh no, oh no. I keep getting that song from Taylor Swift. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So I think you will meet or you will connect with somebody whom you thought is a trouble, or you will heal from that person. Canada. Canada is important. Oh, Venus. So see the beauty in life. Focus on the beauty in your situation. Five of Years, yes. People have been ghosting you, friends. I also feel someone is hiding their true feelings from you. You could also be hiding your true feelings. Asia is also important. Four of Coins. Patience is necessary. Moon. Oh wow, we have the moon here. This is beautiful. Very high emotions, friends. A lot of emotions are. So use it for making art, channelizing it. And this is a great week for you. So have a nice week and subscribe Magic Wednesday. Like, share, join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic Ceasing. Bye bye. So if you choose option number two, friends, let us see how your week is going to be. This is a charms reading. If you chose option number two, let us see success and growth. Wow, this is beautiful. I do feel that this is the time that's coming for you is about success, prosperity, things moving forward. Eight is also the number of destiny, karma, love coming towards you, a lot of success coming towards you, healing, these little green leaves, healing happening for you. So, yay! And these are your oracle and advice, and these are your tarot. Let's start. All right. Okay, so Two of Swords. How are you feeling currently? Confused, confused, confused. Stuck, stuck, stuck. Crossroads. You're feeling like, I feel some of you are not able to decide what you need to do next to make your life better. I also feel some of you are feeling confused. What is your life path? What is the right action? What you need to do? What is the next step for you? I feel you're feeling blocked or confused in some way, like you are trying to do something but it's not happening, or you feel like you are doing something wrong. So, definitely some confusion is happening, some sort of a block is happening for you right now. I also feel some of you are confused about your life path, your destiny, your higher purpose, or what is next in life for you. Uh, I will be doing those readings. As some of you also requested these readings, what is next in detail, like in a very detailed way. So I will be covering them because I feel this is a very collective energy. All of us are like, what is going to happen next? Oh my god, we are all going through those times like, what is next? What is next? What is next? I know. Even I'm feeling that, friends. And yes, you feel definitely at crossroads. You feel a little confused right now, and you need a solution. You need, like, yes, a GPS to tell you where you are going. Let's see what else. Okay. The Hermit. So I do feel, friends, this is going to be a week of introspection for you. Some of you are taking time to reflect this week. Some of you are also taking time to learn something. This is a week of learning, taking time, processing, and meditating. All those things are very important for you. I also feel some of you are at your work. You will be working alone and finishing your projects. And I also feel some, if you are a student, you are studying very, very hard to give your exams, to like, you're very hardworking this week. There is a lot of learning, ability, strength, and what you say, capabilities. You have a lot of stamina. That's very great. I also feel like some of you may actually feel like you need a break from all the people around you this week. You may also feel like you don't wanna you don't wanna hang out in a group. You wanna sit with yourself or sit with just with a close friend or best friend. Even at your work, you will feel like, oh God, you don't need to be surrounded by people. You just wanna work alone. I also feel some of you are a little confused in your career, whether you should go for solo work, independent work, businesses, should you leave your jobs, should you, like, what you can do to improve your work and career. You are thinking about those things. I also feel some of you are leaders in your work and career, and you are doubting your potential. So don't doubt yourself, friends. You are very, very strong, you are very capable, and you are a leader, so go for it. Oh wow, Two of Pentacles. You are going to be extremely busy, friends. This is a very, very busy week for you. So, a lot of busy energy is there. You will be extremely busy at work, at your projects, with your studies. I also feel some of you are also trying to balance your money situation. Like, some of you are like, you could be wanting a better job, because you need more money. Some of you are also trying to, I feel some of you are trying to balance or juggle, your work career or your work schedule, because it feels like you have a lot on your plate in your work. Even if you're a student, you are very, very busy, you have a lot going on, you have like two exams coming or something like that. Some of you could also be thinking of taking a side job, a side hustle like thing. Yes, it would be good for you. I also feel money is coming your way, lots of money is coming, but yes, with that also a lot of hard work is coming, so get ready. And the Eight of Wands, my God, I feel you start the week by planning and thinking, and then you, in the middle of the week, you start taking action on your plan. So that's a great energy. I do see some of you will be, you could be going for a job interview or something. You could be going or taking action in your career. You could be starting something new in your education. I also feel you could be finishing like a project, or like you were preparing for an exam and you give it the best shot you can. So yes, you are getting very active, you are also very motivated mid of the week. This confusion will get away by the time you reach the midweek. I also feel like this is the energy, where you will be a lot of communications, a lot of news is coming for you. So, this is a great energy. I also feel you will feel very directed, like, yes, this is what I need to do, this is where I need to go. So, clarity is coming, action is coming, travel is also opening for you. I do see that a lot of, for some of you, if your travel was restricted, your travel plans will be more easily workable now. You will be able to travel, relocate, or make some plans about traveling with friends, etc., or with family also. Some of you could be traveling with family. So let's see your love life. Oh my God, Justice. Wow, so I do feel your love life is very, very powerful, friends. You want balance in your love life. You want truth and absolute truth in your love life. Nothing else will do. I feel some of you could be actually dealing with a legal situation in your love or work, and I do see balance coming in your favor. I also feel some of you could actually be seeing if this person or this situation is right for you or not, if this situation is just full or not. Is it, some of you are a little, you are analyzing whether your love life is perfect, whether the person is right, whether they are trustworthy, whether they are not, whether this is the right, whether this relationship has a future or not. You have a lot of questions about your love life, and a lot of analysis is going on. So I do see that you will be judging your partner or something like that, like, whether they stand up to you or not. So this is a tough week when it comes to love, the star, hope. Yes, I do feel that a relationship is being tested, but you are going to find hope. You are going to find the clarity, the solutions you are looking for. I also feel some of you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or you could be an Aquarius, Libra yourself, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini yourself. Some of you could also be feeling like you are very alone and life is testing you, like how much alone can you live? But I think there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You are going to find your hope restored, your faith restored, so don't give up. The Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person. I do feel that there is a passionate connection coming for you. There is a person who is extremely passionate for you. But I do feel sometimes this person and you think very differently. Very opposites you are. Like, you guys at times can be opposites of each other, and I do feel you are trying to balance or find balance in this connection, and it will happen. It will happen. I also see passions returning back in your love life. If some of you were in love but there was no spice, there was no passion in your marriage, the spice and passion is coming. I do feel that this is the week where taking action for your love and relationships will give you a lot of success. Rather than just thinking, but taking action is very important. The world, regeneration. Wow, this is beautiful. I do feel that something is healing in your love life, something is regenerating. The pieces are coming back together and bringing something new to you. So, this is a time of healing, repair. Some of you could be recovering from a past breakup. Some of you could also be balancing your love life. More balance is coming. I also feel you are dealing with a person who lives in a different city or country, and that person is important for you. So it's a your love life is highly intense this week, friends, and you have the judgment energy, the justice energy. You are judging whether is this right, whether is this wrong, is this person good, is this not, is this good, not, is family okay or not okay. Lots of questions, lots of justice. Let's take a clarifier for the justice card. What's happening? What is this about? You want to bring your life in balance, that's for sure. Okay. Oh my god, the chariot. Yes, I do feel, yeah. Again, it's about right and wrong. Who is right? Who is wrong? What is traditional? What is not? What is modern? What is, what is allowed? What is not allowed? What is religious? What is not? What is spiritual? What is not? So you're seeing things from a right and wrong perspective. I also feel you could be dealing with a person who lives away from you, but they want to move closer to you. Nine of Cups, yes. I see a lot of happy dates coming for you, especially if you are single. You are attracting a lot of people, a lot of attention. But the devil, you could be attracting someone who is quite physically attractive. It's a very intense connection. So that could also be happening. So be careful. That's why you have the justice, like you are trying to analyze. Elixir, wow. Yes, life is, focus on enjoying your life also, because you are so busy this week, friends. You may actually forget to enjoy life. You may actually forget to live your life and just have fun. So take some fun, have fun. Don't forget to enjoy your life. Tree, yes, you want a strong, deep connection. You want strong things. You want to lay down your roots. Some of you may want to marry. Some of you want to lay down your roots and grow. And that's what you want, and that's the focus this week. Imagine, yes, whatever you can imagine, that will come true. So try to keep your imagination a little careful, because you are in a highly imaginative energy. So anything you imagine or manifesting, it is happening. TikTok, yes, some of you are actually worried that you are losing time or you are behind time, or like it's too late now to have children, it's too late now to have marriage or remarry, it is too late now to have your wishes come true. I think you are in the perfect time. It's always divine timing where you are going to get what you want. So you are on the time. Healing begins. Yes, things are healing for you. Life is healing. Things are moving forward. Take the lead. Yes, friends, you are becoming a leader. You're already leaders. Pile number two. It is time to take charge of your destiny. It is time to follow your passion. It is time to lead. It is time to do not sit back and relax. It is time to take charge, take action, move forward. And let's see the advice for you. Oh wow, justice is coming. Again, it's about justice. Yes, friends, I do see justice is going to happen for you. Whatever was denied from you, or whatever that was yours, in the past, or whatever was your due, that is missing from your life, that is going to come. Justice will happen. You will have your rewards. You will have your success. You will have your dreams come true. It's just a matter of few days or few months. And let's see your charms now. Let's see. Okay, so you have the number 6 here. Let me just separate the charms so that we can just look at them more quickly. So I see N, E, and K. I don't know why, but it reminds me of next. Like, what is next? Move on to the new things, move on to the new people. Kent could be a name, or Ken could be a name, or some is KEN is important for you. Number 6 is also important. 6 is also like June. June is important, or like 6 is the personal number for somebody. Number 1 is also here, and number 66 is also here. Butterfly. So yes, I do see positive changes coming your way. There is also a smaller butterfly. This I see as success in your career is coming. Tree of life. Yes, you want justice, friends. You want a lot of success, and it is coming. You will have a secure life, a secure family, a secure financial abundance. The flower, things are opening for you, things will be moving forward for you, blossoming for you. The flowering lady, someone who is watering the plants, the flowers. Yes, I do feel, friends, you are taking action on your life's goals, your dreams. Some of you could actually be planting some flowers, or it will be good for you to buy some plants or flowering plants and take care of them. So it will be good, or put some vegetable garden or something like that. I'm a stupid baby. Yeah, I do feel someone is really trying to win you back. The green car is about luck, money coming your way. Pineapple, reunions. Yes, someone wants you back. The dark horse, you are a leader, friends. You are a leader. Believe in your power. The car, yes, you could be dealing with a long distance connection. Some of you also want to buy a car, or you want to change a car, or you feel like when you will have the world's biggest or the beautiful, the most, trendiest car. Yes, it will happen. It's your destiny. The purple bead. Intuition. Listen to your intuition. Asia. So Asia is important. Cow. Wow, cows. Maternal energy. Some of you are missing your mothers, or mother is important. 6 of here. Change. Moving forward. Relocation. September is also important. So something you're trying to happen or manifesting, it will happen in September. Neptune. Yeah, you have certain confusions this week, friends, but it will get over quickly. Clarity will happen for you. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe. Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Miss Tixie Singh. Bye bye. So friends, if you choose option number 3, let us see how your week will be. These are your oracle cards and advice. These are your tarot. Let's see, and your charms we'll see shortly. Wow, the devil. This is interesting. This is again an extreme week for you. I feel this is very powerful. This is an intense week for you. I also feel this is a time where you need to think whether you need to open your heart and let your feelings fly, and take charge of your life. Also what to balance in your life, or how to balance your life. This is a very important time or phase for you, where you are learning to come to terms with your power. It's a very, very powerful time for you. Number 15 is also important, I feel. Let us see what's happening, friends. What's happening? Let's see. So, yes, you are definitely focused on your future, friends. When you start this week, your focus about your future is intense. You want a lot. You have a lot of ideas about your future, about your seeing. Yourself. You want to do this. You want to do that. You want to achieve this. You want to achieve that. So it is exciting energy. You are definitely excited about your future. You have lots of plans. You have lots of ideas right now. I also feel Some of you are feeling very motivated, or you are feeling very excited, like you want to do something, you want to change the life, you want to change your looks and something like that. You start the week on a very passionate energy, which is wonderful. It is a good energy. And let's see what else will happen. So, yes, I do feel like Three of Pentacles. I do see that in your work and career, there is a lot of success coming your way. You know, all this positive energy in your work is bringing a lot of money. It is also bringing a lot of support from your, people around you at work. A lot of people are going to support you. They are going to help you around. I also feel collaborations and teamwork will be very good for you this week. So if you are working solo, try to work with people, try to ask for help. You will get it easily. I also see a lot of money coming your way. If you were having like a business, no clients, you will find more clients this week. So yes, well done. I also feel rewards are coming for you, like recognition is coming for you. If you were working if you are working with people, you will shine brighter, you will outshine others, and that's wonderful. Like at your office, you will be noticed. In a group of people, you will be noticed. If you are a student in a class, you will be noticed. So that's wonderful energy. What else is going to happen? Wow, Ace of Pentacles. So, yes, a new start is coming for you. Some of you could actually be starting a new job or a career this week, or you are planning to change or shift your career, your projects. I also see some of you could actually be working on starting a new class, a new, like some new online classes, workshops, all those things. I also feel some of you are getting a raise or a promotion, or like some sort of a money is coming your way, a hike in money is coming, a refund is coming. So money is definitely coming for you. I also feel that this week you're very excited, you want to bring a positive change, a positive momentum in your career, and that's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna bring positivity, freshness in your career, in your work, in your education. You will feel very excited and very happy. I also feel joint study will be good for you. Collaborative studies, collaborative projects, all these things will be very, very good for you. So let's see. All right. Wow, the page of wands. So I do see that some sort of a new opportunity is also coming your way. Some of you could be actually getting an opportunity to for work, to join a new project. Like some of you, your friends could be joining a project, so you also decide. Some of you could be making some new creative friends, and like all of you are motivated, and it's a very good group which is very full of energy and lot of enthusiasm. So you're attracting a lot of good things this week, friends, and I also feel your ambition is extremely high. You're very ambitious, you're extremely powerful. The desire to achieve for within you, at your work, at your home, in love, is amazing. You are full of, like, you want to achieve, you want to overachieve. You will actually end up doing a lot more work this week and finishing a lot many tasks this week. I also feel this is a time when, you feel guided, you feel supported, you feel like, yes, life is taking a path, life is taking the course that it is meant to take. Let's see what else. The High Priest. Yeah, I do feel, friends, especially when it comes to money and relationships, you must listen to your intuition. I feel like you are so excited and you are so ambitious and so powerful. You have such a raw Mars energy that you may forget the intuition. And that you must not do, friends. Listen to your intuition, follow it. It will help you from getting some clarity. It will also help you in avoiding some sort of a drawback, some money loss. Also, I do see your intuition is guiding you. You must listen to your intuition, otherwise you may get so excited, it is like, don't forget, Mercury will be retrograde and you are so excited, so it can lead to like communication errors, communication delays, printing errors, or loss of money. Like you read it is 500 but 5,000, but actual money is 500 because you misprinted something or like that. So check on everything. So yes, listen to your intuition, and I also feel like keep focusing on your vision, keep making a vision board, keep manifesting whatever you want. You are going to achieve it. Wow, when it comes to love, you have very intense energies, very, very intense energies. The Hanged Man, your love life is stuck, friends, absolutely, and you are feeling very upset about it. I feel some of you are either very single, you have nobody, so you are stuck, you are alone. For others, you are in a very frustrating situation which is stuck, which doesn't move forward, and you are like, what is going on with my love life? What is going on? Well, I do see that some sort of a movement is going to happen in your love life. Ten of Cups, yes, happiness, or some sort of a progress is going to happen in your relationships. Family will be affecting your love life. Family is very important. I also feel some of you will be spending more time with your family, going for an anniversary, wishing birthday wishes, birthday parties, or your family could be visiting you. You can also expect some guest this week. But I feel, friends, if you're like dating somebody, the relationship is stuck because of marriage, different religion, cultures, family issues. Family is playing a third party here. Death, oh my god. So big changes are coming in your love life. Your partner is changing, they are transforming. I also feel some of you could be ending a situation with a very toxic person, or with, I don't know how to say this actually. I feel some of you are in relationships where there is a lot of third party, or there is a lot of drama. And I feel some of you are finally getting ready to let go of this situation or this person. There is a toxic person, or someone who, like, comes and goes out of your life, or someone who is like a devil to you. So that person is there, but you must listen to your intuition. Your intuition is showing you, giving you red signs, giving you flags. You must listen to your intuition, friends, because it is guiding you in your love life, in taking the right decisions, in knowing who is the right person. I also feel somebody from your past could be on your mind, someone you left 10 years, 20 years, maybe someone you met as a younger person, your first crush. People from your past are on your mind. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also very important. The Judgment, oh my god, yes, you want the best things or nothing at all. Definitely in your love life, you want marriage, you want commitment. If not, that's not coming, you don't want anything else. So you're very clear on what you want. I also feel some of you are going to be very communicative to a person. If someone is not behaving right, you will take the action. You will tell them. You will be expressive. It would be tough for you to keep your opinions and your emotions to yourself. You will be very vocal about it. I also feel some sort of a higher purpose will be revealed to you. Some of you may actually question why you lost a marriage, why you got stuck in a wrong person, why you got stuck with wrong people. There is a higher purpose, and it will be shown to you. There is a higher spiritual thing happening in your love life, and the answers will be shown to you this week. Wow, the Queen of Ocean, wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. This is the Empress actually. Wow. You are definitely, for some of you, marriage is very important. Your mother is also very important. Also, if you are married, you want to expand your family, issues about your children, pregnancy, expansion, those things are very important to you. For others, I also feel this week there is a conflict between your work and your love life. Some of you are like, I want to focus your work and career, but then you are like, I have to focus on my love life also. But you cannot do both. You don't have much time. You are busy. So you will have to balance a little. I also feel mother is very important. It could be your mother or someone else's mother. I also feel you could be in a twin flame connection, which is important this week. So, what is this judgment about? Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Yeah, I do feel, friends, in love life, you want who is valuing you, who is supporting you, who is with others, who is with you, what is working for you, what is with you for the future. So, all those things are very important for you. And the Ten of Swords in reverse. So, yes, somebody from the past or some situation which is stuck is still going on and affecting you this week. And Two of Wands. Yes, I do feel someone who was behaving stupidly. You want that person to behave maturely. If not, you will start choosing yourself. So that's a good energy, friends. Cauldron. Wow, the pot, the magical pot. So I do feel some of you could be taking some time to enjoy some cooking, or some sort of like manifestations. You are cooking your manifestations or cooking, or like literally magic is happening for you. Teacup, friendships are coming, friends. Some of you are going to make some new friendships. I do see there is a lot of support at work. Love is also possible through work and romance, like work and career. Romance is coming from work and career also. Regeneration, number 46. Yeah, I do feel there is a high chance of a relationship healing, or you healing from that past relationship and finding a new and better person. So there is a lot of regeneration happening. Blessed, number 22. Yes, I do feel you are very, very blessed. You are very protected. You are very safe. You have nothing to worry about. And you must stay connected. You must listen to your intuition, because if you keep listening to your intuition, you will be even more successful. Leader. Yes, friends, you are a leader and you deserve a very interesting or a very good leader or a partner in your life who is honest, loyal, and trustworthy. That's what you all deserve. Dedicated heart. Wow, Eight of Wands. Yes, I do feel, friends, someone will be taking action towards you, or you will be taking action to fulfill your goals, your dreams, your ambitions. It's a great week, friends. It's a great week. Let's see some advice. Confidence, it comes with time and practice. So don't doubt yourself, friends. You are bold, you are very talented, and you deserve the best. So believe in yourself, stay confident, and stay bold. So let's see. Oh wow, you have a lot of charms actually. I think the most than all the other three piles. So let's see. Wow, you have a lot of initials also. I see the word open. So open, something's like, yes, it's time to start that business, start that shop, open that shop or something like that. Keep, I see the word keep. I also see the word jeep here. So some of you could be dealing with a person who owns the jeep or a vehicle, car or something. Okay, okay, and double E are important. So double E, OK, J, double E, and P, those are the initial. Number 77, 777 is important, which is again a magical number. Something will happen which will make you feel very happy. This is a week where you want to, this is a time of fixing things in life. Some of you may actually, I feel, are you having joint pains or knee pain? I think that may happen because you are running all this week. It's a very busy week. The flower, things are blossoming for you, your ambitions, your dreams. The golden leaf, yes, I do see success coming for you. Progress, money, dragonfly, good things, beautiful things are coming. See the feet, yes, the shoe. I think some of you should listen to buy and proper shoes, good shoes. I also feel some of you should be careful, because listen to your intuition, don't try to hurry too much. The bow, yes, a gift is coming. I also see some of you could be expecting a baby or childbirth, or you could be going to a baby shower. Mushroom, too much passion. You are dealing with someone who has a lot of physical attraction, and there is a lot of physical chemistry in this relationship. Oh wow, the love couch. So, yes, love is coming your way. Some beautiful dates are coming for you. The trumpet, announcements and good news is coming. The heart, mezzo piano. Music is very important for you. Some of you could be connecting or starting to work on a musical hobby or something. The leaf. This leaf is like cooperation. I see it as cooperation. The turtle is also here. Stay calm. It's a busy week. And look at that. Again, the growth charm is here. So there are two growth charm. It is like you and your person can grow together. You know, a relationship and you. Love. There is a lot of love in this week. Look at this. There are two hearts also. So some of you could be dealing with two people, two lovers. Or it is like love and family. Also, these little things are like wheels, like get moving, get things done. The house, yes, some of you are interested in buying a property, a house or family is important. Green, healing energy. Asia has come, I think, in all the charms, all the three piles. Father, yeah, for some of you, a father is important. August is also important. Roads, where we are going, we did not need roads. So, yes, I do feel that you are very confident. Even if you don't know the full path, you will still be very successful. So, start taking action. Subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye bye.